Everyone, I am Mahima Parmar and today I am going to take you through an interesting topic that affects you all. So here I am going to put up the lights over this issue called Importance of Speaking English. I am going to talk about why is such a huge percentage of people interested in learning English or interested in communicating in English with others. This is for I am going to talk about today the importance of this language English. First, in our entire world, there are more than 7,000 languages in India. If I talk about in India, there are 22 main languages in India. Every state has its own native language and every person has the mother tongue. I think everyone should respect his or her own native language and should respect his or her mother tongue. By respecting everyone's own native language, we all have to agree that this language English has a worldwide significance and we cannot deny this. English is a global or international language. It is most spoken language in the world. For any work, whether it is for job purpose, treatment purpose or traveling purpose, English plays a very important role everywhere. If I talk about for job purpose, if you work at any multinational companies, it is necessary how to speak English, how to communicate in English with others. Even in India, if you have to go to any interview, then they will take your interview in English. If you want to crack any interview, then you must know English. It develops our personality, it increases our confidence level. English makes your travel more easier. English is a common language that is spoken. Technologies, it also helps in our career growth. It is a bridge for communication, education and career opportunities. It opens doors for education and knowledge. Many textbooks, research papers and online courses are available in English. If you want to learn something new or study in a foreign country, knowing English is a great advantage. English is essential for career opportunities. Many companies prefer employees who can speak English because it allows them to interact with international clients and partners. It is often required for jobs in fields like tourism, IT, and business. Learning English is not just about speaking a new language, it's about opening a world of opportunities, gaining knowledge, and career growth. English is very useful. It opens many opportunities for success in life. That's all. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity and thanks to all for listening me.